Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're diving into Sworkit, found at sworkit.com. This platform offers a unique approach to fitness, providing personalized workout plans that adapt to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, Sworkit boasts a wide variety of exercises and programs designed to help you achieve your goals. From bodyweight training and yoga to cardio and strength training, Sworkit has something for everyone. One of the standout features of Sworkit is its flexibility. You can customize the duration of your workouts, choosing from quick sessions to longer, more intense routines. This makes it incredibly convenient for busy schedules and varying fitness levels. They also offer guided workout plans that cater to specific goals, like improving strength, increasing flexibility, or losing weight. These structured plans remove the guesswork from your training, offering a clear path to progress. Furthermore, Sworkit provides clear video demonstrations for each exercise, ensuring you maintain proper form and minimize the risk of injury. The platform also integrates with other fitness trackers and apps, allowing you to seamlessly track your progress and stay motivated. This integration helps you visualize your achievements and understand the impact of your workouts over time. Another compelling aspect of Sworkit is its focus on personalized recommendations. The platform learns from your workout history and preferences, suggesting exercises and programs tailored to your individual needs. This personalized approach helps you stay engaged and motivated, making fitness a more enjoyable and sustainable part of your life. They also offer a variety of workout styles, keeping things fresh and preventing boredom. From kickboxing-inspired routines to low-impact exercises, Sworkit constantly adds new content to keep your workouts exciting and challenging. Beyond the workouts themselves, Sworkit cultivates a supportive community. You can connect with other users, share your progress, and find motivation through their online platform. This sense of community can be a powerful tool in staying committed to your fitness goals. So, if you're looking for a flexible, personalized, and comprehensive fitness platform, definitely check out Sworkit at sworkit.com.